Good afternoon, and welcome to an episode of Fit and Active Escapades. Um, Again, like I said with my channel, I'm going to start getting into some stuff that's not just working out and working towards events and whatnot, just health in general. And last week I spoke about dead hangs in the gym or at home or wherever you can do them and the benefits of those. And today I thought I'd do a video on red light therapy that I use. And if any of you are not familiar with it, the thought of red light therapy goes into using low levels red light of different wavelengths. And it's supposed to do several different things. The main thing I'm trying to use it for is to stimulate collagen production, improve my joints. I've had so many problems with my shoulders as far as injury-wise goes. Also, it is supposed to reduce inflammation, thereby reducing pain due to tendonitis, arthritis, whatever the case might be. And probably one of the biggest things for some people is an improvement in skin, elasticity, loss of elasticity due to sun damage, circulation, and whatnot. And the idea behind this, and there's quite a bit of study on it. And again, this is all empirical data. I mean, it's got a lot of testing to do and whatnot, but it is thought to work on our power plants of our cells, the mitochondria. And through that, this light is supposed to trigger blood flow and energize the cells, energize the mitochondria in the cells, thereby producing more energy, producing some of this repair to our cells and tissue and providing more energy. Again, this is in somewhat of an infancy stage, I guess you'd call it. For me, I use a product I've done a lot of research into, looked into it. I use a product called Mitro Red Light, and they use red light therapy and near infrared therapy, and it's just different wavelengths. And it works on how they penetrate the skin, reaching both soft and deep tissue. So again, I am in no means sitting here saying, "Oh, this stuff works great, it's fantastic," but I am a big proponent of things such as cold plunge and whatnot, and I think a lot of this stuff that has not really been looked into deeply yet, I think it has a lot of potential, and I actually think this is one of the things that might. So anyway, I'm going to show you the Mitro Red Light that I have and what I do with it. The sessions take, the research I've looked at is usually 10 to 15 minutes, 3 to 5 times a week. And it's not a big commitment. It's just like the hang time, it's just like cold plunge. It's not a big commitment, and it could provide a lot of benefit to you. So it's not going to hurt anything. There's other things it says it can do or can help with, and that's wound healing, hair growth, supposedly by stimulating the follicles. Reports that it even improves mental health, dementia. I can see how that's mental health just looking outside at the gray day. There's a lot of gray days here in the Northwest, so maybe the light kind of helps in that way. It helps deepen your sleep. Again, maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. And improve workout recovery. And if it does reduce inflammation, I definitely believe it probably does improve workout recovery. Again, I'm a big proponent of non-pill form. A lot of people search for just pills to make everything better and get you in perfect shape. I feel you've got to make a commitment to things, and this is just one of the supplements to things. It's not an end-all, it's not a fix-all, it's not going to make everything great, but I think it aids in our goal to what we're looking to accomplish. Next time I'm going to go over some of the supplements I take, and these are just food supplements, and again, it's not a fix-all pill. They're, just like the word says, it's a supplement to things I already should be doing, and that's diet, sleep, things along those lines. And I think this is just a supplement to help us in our fitness goal, our fitness journey. So without further ado, let me show you my Mitro red light. So here's my Mitro red light setup. It's a pretty simple, basic setup, just hanging from the door, the panels here. And the company sells these in larger panels that stand alone on the floor. I think they even sell some sort of wand apparatus. I don't know how well that would work, but anyway, this seems to work fine for my needs and what I want. But I've got a remote control, which, as you can see from the side here, I could choose infrared, near infrared, or I could choose both. Most of the time I choose both. You could choose your time, up and down on your time, on how long you want to do this for. And then when you're all set and get ready for the blast, and there you go. You sit in the red light therapy and let it do its job. Myself, I pop in headphones, sit and listen to a audiobook, and actually have a very peaceful 15 minutes. So not a bad commitment if it actually does what it. So that's it on my red light therapy video. I suggest if you're interested in something like this, do some research. There's a lot online about it. Again, I don't sit and say that this 100% works, it's great, it has all these benefits to it, but I do know this. I had been having a lot of problems with my shoulder, even as far as sleep, as far as lifting weights, doing anything, and I mean a lot of pain. And I do this, and as well I take collagen in my morning drink, and so I don't know if it's just the collagen that I take or it's a combination of this and the collagen, but I do know that my shoulder problems have greatly improved. Again, I don't know this because of this. Maybe this helps it. Maybe it doesn't do anything. I don't know. But in stuff that I've read, I actually do believe it is a nice supplement to fitness and whatever goal you might be looking for. So anyway, if you're interested, you could either text me. I could tell you what I've looked up and what I've researched on, point you in the right direction. I'll put in the website for Mitro Red Light if anybody's interested. If you have any comments on it or you have any experience with it, please drop me a comment. I'd love to hear about it. This is new to me as well. So anyway, I hope everybody has a good day, and I'll see you next time.
I'm just teasing you.